Mufumbie cakes mmeka? 57. They are the cups we have, eh? We have 57. So how long did it take you to cook these cakes? Kibatwalidde ebbanga ki? Sawa nga mmeka? Nga bbiri. We always make cakes in the morning, and now it is 7:40 a.m. and we are selling. So these are the customers and these are the students that make the cakes to get some income. And then also the cakes are here ready. Yes, you can start a business with cakes. It's one of the best things I have seen. And then after that we have to wash the cupcakes we have used. And here they are being washed. Yeah. As selling goes on, we are cleaning the equipment to be used tomorrow. Small scale businesses. One of the things we train at the Bill and Barbara Gaia is bakery. And we train bakery, and our students learn how to make or to bake the cakes and later on sell them. So these ones have been made this morning. It's 7 a.m. They are finished. And now these are the cupcakes that have been used. This is the equipment that has been used in making these cakes. And guess what? These are the people behind these cakes. They are now cleaning the equipment that they have used. Yeah. So I'm proud of what they've made, and they will improve slowly by slowly. Learning carpentry at the Bill and Barbara Gaia Rotarians Memorial Vocational Training Center. So proud of her. Look at that. You can try out Bill and Barbara Gaia Rotarians Memorial Vocational Training Center. Learn this and more. And this is what we are trying to make. This is what we are making. Yeah. Look at what is going on. You would like to have a tattoo. Look at what he has done to his hand. Hey. Things are taking shape. Iwaka kanto katereire habi. Kanu. Kali suppose kuba hansi mun. Tiku. Baitu kano katereire harungu. Ako kali hansi. Taking shape. Katonda teyali kwekana watenga twepanga tetukutuka oli Katonda tekiribawo watenga sekyuka aliddawo lyawo oli wamanyi abamanyi nabo bakoba era abagagga bakaba The cake business. This is the second tray. So that one is being shifted from the lower part where it is too hot to the upper part, King. However, these ones have already been emptied, and what was there is here. These ones are still hot. So they've just been made, and we use our local oven that uses charcoal. Look at that.